Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not joining mobile games. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now if you're on an iPhone or an Android, you try to open up Roblox and play games, but it won't allow you or it can't join a game. I'll show you how to fix it. First, let's open up the Roblox app here. And there are some things that you can do in the app and some things outside of the app. Now let's say you find a game that you really love. You should be able to tap on it and tap the green play button and start playing that game. However, if that doesn't work, you're going to tap on the More button at the very bottom right. And then we'll scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings. From here at the very top, we'll choose Account Info because on here you need to do two things. One is your email address. Here you need to make sure that is verified. Sometimes verifying your email address or not having it verified could cause issues with you joining those games. So basically click Verify here. It'll send you an email to that email address to basically approve that you own and you have access to it. Now the other thing that you might want to do is verify your age. So go through the process of verifying what your actual birthday is on Roblox. Sometimes verifying your age that you're over 13 or over a certain age will allow you to have access to a lot of those games. Now let's say you go through this entire process, but it just doesn't work. The next thing I would recommend doing is opening up your settings here. Scroll down, and then you have to tap on Apps. Here, look for the Roblox app. And once you found it, tap on it to open up its info page. Here, you have to tap on Force Stop first and confirm it. Then tap on the Storage tab and clear your cache. This does two really important things. The first one is it deletes all of the cache and temporary files in the Roblox app. And the second thing is it force updates it to the latest version on your phone. A lot of times, any kind of bugs or glitches in the Roblox app on your mobile phone are just fixed by force, basically removing the cache and temporary files and updating. It's the latest version, and then we can just open it up here, and it should be working normally. You should be able to play and join any game that you want. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox not joining mobile games. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.